action.
Two alligators flew by, a red one and a blue one, especially the red one.
What the fuck does that mean? It's Russian!
See, they like this.
Tell another one.
Three alligators flew by.
No.
Alright. There was an elephant, and the elephant was injured, and there was a man on safari from Britain in Africa, and he saw the elephant, and before he got on the plane, before he went back to the airport, he wrapped the elephant's knee in banana leaves, and, set it up for being healed, and the elephant healed, and he went back to Britain. 10 years later, he came back to the same spot, and what was there but yes, there was a circus, and the main feature of the circus was the 4 giant elephant show, and one elephant came out, another one came out and hopped on top, the third one came out and hopped on top, the man was in the audience, the fourth one came out and hopped on top of those, no kidding, and the bottom elephant, when they were parading around, saw the man, and ran at him, toppling the other 3 elephants, and when he got to the man, he gored him to death with his tusks. It was probably a different elephant.
That's enough.